Today on the Street Food Chef YouTube channel, I'm going to take you and show you around Chinatown. I'm going to take you to places where I get my little secret ingredients from. One of the best places are just right behind me. It's a very famous place and has all the little Thai knickknacks. So follow me as I show you my Chinatown. Chinatown, Bangkok is one of my most favorite places to explore. The reason why I like exploring it so much is because it's where Bangkok starts to live for me. It's where you see some amazing street food, you see the old Siam culture mixed with the Chinese culture, and for me very much it's also a little bit of the old with the new. And it's also on the river of the Chumpuan, and it's just a stunning place. This is the first place I've actually stayed here. Normally I don't stay here at all, and I stay uptown in Tonglo. But I thought I would do some shopping here and on the way and pick up a few things which I have here. These ones are fantastic for making Thai desserts that you dip in batter and then you deep fry. Very, very good indeed. Very good as well. Also, one of the best places to get dried fruit and dried ingredients in Bangkok is right here. So one of the best places is actually what I'm looking for. This is dried shrimp here, and these are probably still not quite as good as what we're looking for. So some of the best places in Chinatown is down these little alleyways where you see all these pickled vegetables, all these Chinese ingredients that have all come together, and this is where the Chinese meets Thai, and you can see a roast duck with curries, all the noodle soups that we have. It's absolutely fantastic. And these are all your different kimchis, pickles, mustard greens, sea cucumber, all different varieties of sea cucumber. Yeah. Bamboo. And here we have, I think, some a little bit better dried shrimp. These are the ones that we're looking for. Here you have salted squid and a lot of dried fish. And this is exactly what I'm looking to buy, is the shrimp. These ones are great for som tam and also miang kam. These ones are better for curries. Put in. The street food here is some of the best, especially down this little alleyway here is where you get some of the best dried shrimp and dried ingredients, because it's all run by the old Chinese. As this was probably the first place where the first Chinese settlements arrived in Bangkok, and hence why the Chinese always settled near the ports, and that's why this area is just full of Chinese ingredients and Chinese culture.